Production planning essentially requires the lot size, which is the most economical for the manufacturing of goods. For this purpose, the cost of production of each lot size is to be worked out, and the lot size giving the least cost per unit is selected for manufacturing process. We have already discussed the order size calculation, and in the lot sizing rules it plays a pivotal role. We have studied about lot for lot method, we have studied about EOQ or economic order method, least unit cost method, least total cost method. All this comes into play when determining the lot sizing rules. Let's again refresh some of the commonly used lot sizing rules, which might include the order size calculation methods as well. First is fixed order quantity or FOQ. In this policy, the order quantity is fixed on the basis of intuitive method. The method is suitable for selected items having ordering cost sufficiently high to rule out in net requirement quantity per period. Then we have EOQ or economic order quantity. See, the EOQ method is preferable when relative constant independent demand exists. It is a statistical technique which uses averages, whereas the MRP procedure assumes known demand reflected in the master production schedule. Then we have lot for lot. This technique is based on the principle that an MRP system should produce only as needed, with no safety stock and no anticipation of further orders. That means forecasting is somewhat discounted here. This technique is efficient when frequent orders are economical and JIT inventory technique is implemented. Then we have fixed period requirement. In this policy, the lot quantity per order is specified to cover certain number of periods. POQ or period order quantity, in which lot sizing ordering intervals are related to the quantity is computed, and hence carrying cost tends to be lower. In general, in many organizations, the periodic order quantity or POQ is considered as more economic and more effective than EOQ. And finally, we have part period balancing. See, a pure EOQ process or approach does not take into account the variation in requirements over time. A simple method that does this is the part period balancing or PPB. A part period is defined as a unit of measure that is equivalent to carrying unit of an item, that is a part in the inventory for one period, and it occurs when the total ordering of setup cost equals the total holding cost.